I get asked this question all the time. Steve, what is the NEBOSH Fire Safety Certificate? Do I actually need it? And what's it actually going to do for me? And honestly, that is a fair question. So in simple terms, it's a practical qualification for people who've got fire safety responsibilities at work. So if fire safety sits with you in some way, maybe you manage a site, maybe you manage a team or a building, or you've been asked to kind of deal with fire risk assessments. This is the type of course that help you understand what you're actually doing and why it actually matters. Fire safety is about far more than compliance. A well-managed fire safety system helps protect people's lives, reduces that disruption, controls financial losses, and strengthens that kind of business resilience. The NEBOSH Fire Safety Certificate teaches learners how to justify fire safety improvements, using both moral and legal and financial arguments. So you can make a stronger case for actions in the workplace. These qualifications enable you as the learner to advise on fire safety and explosions that can happen, identify suitable control measures, advise on fire protections for the premises and workers, and carry out a fire risk assessment in your own workplace. That means the course is not just theoretical. It's designed to help you recognize hazards and evaluate the risks and plan practical improvements. The syllabus covers managing fire safety, the principles of fire explosions, fuel and oxygen ignition sources, fire protection of the buildings, safety of people in the event of a fire, and fire safety risk assessment. You should be able to build on a good understanding of how fires can start, how they can actually spread throughout the building, what controls are needed, and how emergency arrangements support safe evacuation, and how to carry out a fire risk assessment properly. That's important because the workplace is covered by the Regulatory Fire Safety Order 2005 regulations. So it states there that a fire risk assessment is a legal requirement, and the findings now need to be recorded in full, whatever the size of your building and your team. The qualifications are broken down to two parts. The first part is the FSC one, which is all about the open book exam. The open book exam is a 4 to 6 hour exam question paper, and it's scenario based. The part two is what you call the FSC2, which is the risk assessment, where you, the learner or the student, will go to their workplace and carry out a fire risk assessment on their workplace, and then that gets uploaded onto the NEBOSH portal for marking. What I like about this qualification is it's not just about the theory, it's about practical bit. It's not just about bits of information that sounds good on a bit of paper. It gives that person the knowledge and understanding of they can take back into their normal day-to-day work life. At SM Safety Training, we are a NEBOSH Gold Learning Partner. So you're learning with a top-rated partner who's recognised quality and support. Now, NEBOSH identifies gold as top learning partner status, which is above their silver and bronze, reflecting on partners greatly exceeding their learning excellence and principles. We're also a ELCAS approved training provider, which means eligible military personnel and service leavers can use the ELCAS funding to fund up to 80% of the course costs. And if you want to build on that, on top of that, you can bundle this course up with such as the NEBOSH courses like the NEBOSH General Certificate, which is another worldwide recognized qualification. So if you're asking yourself whether you need this qualification, the question really you need to start asking is, do you have responsibilities of fire safety in work? Do you want to feel confident and knowing what you're doing? If the answer is yes, then it's definitely worth a good look at this qualification. So if you'd like to know more about this qualification, know about the funding options, or building it with a ELCAS bundle package such as the NEBOSH General, get in touch with us here at SM Safety Training Consultancy Limited. We're happy to support you through your learning journey.